received a VF3 file from a secure file sharing service and unable to extract it? This is a proprietary encrypted archive from an enterprise file sharing platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Vaultize compressed archive files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep VF3 file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. A VF3 file is a legacy backup file created by Veeam Backup Replication version 3.0. System administrators or users with older archives encounter these files when attempting to restore data from outdated backups. The primary goal is to access the contents, often requiring an older version of Veeam. The VF3 format is a proprietary binary container designed for data deduplication and compression. It encapsulates virtual machine data, file-level information, and metadata required for restoration. Its structure was optimized for the backup and recovery performance standards of its time, predating newer formats like VBK. To maintain file fidelity, use none developed by unknown to open VF3. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows gives minimal information for compressed files, so extracting them requires archive software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the VF3 file and hit Open With. Test None if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you cannot access the VF3 file, no problem. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the VF3 problem. First, installing Vaultize client. Download and install the Vaultize desktop client from your organization's Vaultize portal. Sign in with your corporate credentials provided by your IT administrator. The client integrates with Windows Explorer and registers the VF3 file association, enabling double-click access to encrypted archives based on your user permissions. Next, opening through Web Portal. Log into your organization's Vaultize web portal using a modern browser. Upload the VF3 file or access shared archives through the secure inbox. The web interface provides browser-based viewing for documents while enforcing DRM policies. Download permissions depend on the sender's specified access controls. Finally, requesting access. If you cannot open a VF3 file, contact the sender to verify your email address is on the access list and the file has not expired. Vaultize enforces strict identity verification, so files are tied to specific authorized recipients. Request a new share link or extended permissions if access has been revoked. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.